Your local weather with meteorologist Rebecca Velasquez.
Across the ArkLaMiss, as you can see on our sweeping radar, we are dealing with some scattered showers, especially along Highway 82. We're seeing a few heavy, isolated pockets of scattered showers in Catahoula and Concordia parishes, but most of us are staying relatively dry. The bulk of the rain is still well off to our west as Tropical Storm Harvey is parked and literally just sitting in southern portion of Texas, just south of Austin, bringing a lot of rain, flash flood warnings, tornado warnings, and a lot of tornado watches and flash flood watches still in effect. They've seen areas of over 20 inches of rain, but luckily here in the ArkLaMiss we haven't seen nearly that amount of rain. We've seen maybe an inch in our northern parishes and southern counties, especially along Highway 82, but the bulk of the rain staying south of us. What all of us have seen today is a lot of cloud coverage. We're seeing a lot of cloud coverage from Harvey creeping into the ArkLaMiss, but the bulk of the rain is still well off to our southwest, brought a lot of tornado warnings in southern portions of Louisiana. Take a look at Harvey over the past 6 hours. It has literally parked. It's staying still. It has two high pressures on either side, is wedging it in southern portion of Texas, and it's not going anywhere, which is not good in regards to rainfall totals for portions of southern Texas. They've seen almost 20 inches of rain, and they're still expecting at least 10 inches more of rain. So in regards to where Harvey is going, Harvey is expected to dip a little further south and veer northward, but really after Monday, models are not in agreement as to where Harvey is expected to go. Some have it going westward, some have it going eastward towards us in the ArkLaMiss, so it is still too early to tell. I know that's frustrating to hear. It's just too early to tell what is going to happen. But currently, though, all that cloud coverage from Harvey and a bit of breezy conditions as well. Winds out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so it is fairly breezy, but it's muggy as well. We are feeling the humidity vamp up compared to what we felt yesterday. Temperatures are in the low to mid 80s. Feels like the low 90s. So we're starting to see warmer temperatures. We're starting to see the humidity increase. Not really much of a temperature change, but if you can believe it, temperatures are well below average to what our average temperatures are for this time of the year. We should be in the mid 90s, but we're in the mid 80s. Tonight we're going to cool things down to the low 70s under overcast conditions. We're going to see those clouds stick around tonight and tomorrow as well, as highs are only expected to reach the mid 80s, similar to today. And then we have the chance for scattered showers as well. Still not really seeing much from Harvey, so scattered showers typical for summer-like pattern expected for tomorrow afternoon, mostly south of I-20, and then Sunday evening we might see some along I-20, and then Monday morning is going to be a wet one, so have an umbrella as you're heading out the door because it'll be much more scattered, and then we'll see these rain chances continuing as we head into the mid part of the week. But as I mentioned earlier, you know, with Tropical Storm Harvey well off to our west and southern portions of Texas, still too early to tell whether or not, you know, how much rain we're going to get. That's why I'm not throwing up any rain totals just yet. But regardless, we are expecting to see scattered showers, typical to what we see for this time of the year. And take a look at those temperatures in the low 80s. That's well below average to what we see for this time of the year. But hey, stick with us. We'll have the latest in sports with Chris when we return. You're watching NBC 10.